Welcome back, everyone. I was busy building a chicken coop. I heard the horn off in the distance. See if we got anything coming. Pretty sure we do. Maybe we don't. There's a truck. Definitely not the horn I heard, but that's okay. I wonder if it was a Boston line. I definitely heard a horn. It sounded like it was headed this direction. Looks like it was the other line, the Boston line. So I gotta head back to my chicken coop. It's not mine, it's actually my neighbor's, or the guy's property I'm living on. He bought a bunch of chicks and I've been taking care of them, my girlfriend and I. We'll see here in a second. So I get back down here. They're getting big fast, so we need a little bit bigger coop than what they're in. If someone out there can tell me when I should switch them over to regular feed, that'd be awesome. So I'm pretty sure they're getting close to that spot. I think they're like 4 weeks old, maybe 5 weeks, I'm guessing. We'll see here in a minute. It's all junk behind me. This guy collects everything and anything, finds freak shit, keeps it all. Let's see here. Garbage. Piece of garbage. Yeah, the TikTok, everybody. White ones are apparently eating birds. The rest of them are either, hopefully not a bunch of roosters, hopefully a bunch of hens. I'm sure most of them are sexed, but I'm pretty sure he gambled and bought some that weren't. So hopefully we don't end up with 4 or 5 roosters, because that would fucking suck. Here's the coop. That was already there. I ripped that door off of it, and then I've been building this frame. Don't make fun of me, I'm not a freaking framer. Just doing what I can and slapping it together. I mean, I've built a travel trailer out of nothing but the image in my head, so I've built a chicken coop before, and not much to it, just a bunch of wood and freaking fencing to go underneath it. So we got coyotes and foxes and raccoons and you name it, bobcats, you name it, it's out here, man. I mean, I've had deer come right up in here. I mean, not that those are a threat to chickens, but that coyotes come right up in here. We've had raccoons on top of there, had to come running out and yell at them. I have a camera set up right there. But yeah, that's how far along it's got. I'll keep you posted if y'all want on how it comes out. I still hear that train horn off, and that is, I'm pretty sure it's Boston, but the Fitchburg branch. But hope everybody has a good Sunday. And God bless Trump and his family, and the guy who died, and the people who wounded. You know, pray for their families. You know, it's terrible for our country, and that type of shit shouldn't take place during any type of political event or in politics, period. We're not a third world country. Let me tell you what, in my opinion, the Democrats are trying to make it that way, but we aren't, and we gotta stand up for what's right. Well, like I said, I hope y'all have a great afternoon. Have a good one.